Ditch the hassle of a gas mower with the Lawn Master 48-volt 17-inch brushless mower. This lightweight mower is compact but powerful with a 48-volt brushless motor that provides up to 3,100 RPM. The 16-inch cutting width and rugged wheels let you easily maneuver, and the one-touch lever lets you effortlessly change between 5 cutting heights. 2 24-volt batteries power through small lawns. The mower is easy to move and store, with folding push handles and a carry handle for easy transport. The Lawn Master 48-volt 17-inch brushless mower, now available on Amazon.
As you can see, 40-volt electric push mower, 18-inch, to help me out. When I'm mowing the grass, I use a riding mower for all this, but I got a lot of trimming, like around my kids' play set, my daughter's playhouse, and of course around the shed. It's a bagger, so you simply lift up on it here, pull the bag out, dump your grass, and then it just slides right back into place. Boom, just like that. And if I hadn't mentioned already, it's light. I've been using it when I mow, does the trimming perfect. It's very lightweight and I really like it. I want to thank my friends over at Wild Badger Power.
Works Power Share. Same battery, expandable power. The only battery system versatile enough to power our whole family of 20 volt, 40 volt, and 80 volt tools for your lawn, garden, home, and crafting projects with the same battery. The one-of-a-kind stackable technology allows you to use the same battery for your 20 volt drill, 40 volt blower, 80 volt mower, and in every other Works and Works Nitro Power Share product we make. Choose the right amount of power output for every project and move between 20 volt, 40 volt, and 80 volt products with ease without investing in a whole new battery system. Want even more power? PowerShare Pro high-capacity batteries significantly increase your productivity, performance, and runtime to get your job done better and more efficiently. Charge quicker, last longer, do more. Same battery, expandable power.
Introducing the Ego 21-inch Lawn Mower, powered by the industry's first and most advanced 56-volt lithium-ion battery that delivers the torque of gas. Customize your cut with ease. Changing the deck height or handle position is as simple as pressing a lever. Featuring an all-new 5.0 amp-hour battery that runs up to 45 minutes on a single charge. Headlights and the whisper quiet motor let you mow at any hour that's convenient. The fully sized 21-inch mower is weather-resistant and backed by a 5-year warranty. The Ego Power Plus battery is part of a system and can be used on any Ego tool for maximum versatility and value. And when the work is done, Ego's patented handle design folds flat in seconds for easy cleaning and storage. Revolutionize the way you do yard work with the industry's top-rated cordless platform of tools. Ego, power beyond belief.